Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to install the open source media server Jellyfin on your Linux distro. And we're going to be doing the entire process with one single command for the installation, which would be this one provided by the documentation of Jellyfin. I do also have a guide on this on how to install it on Windows. You can check it in the description below. So let's go ahead and get this started. I'm going to go ahead and copy this command. And I am running Windows, but I'm going to be doing this on a virtual machine that it's running here on the terminal using WSL, just right here, this. You can see here over here, I have enabled the feature so I can run Linux. I have installed Docker and Debian. So I'm going to be using Debian for this example. So I'm going to go ahead and paste the command here, and I'm going to let that run. Just going to click enter. It will take a few seconds. As you can see here, it found some information. Debian, repository bookboard, the architecture. If this looks correct, press enter now to continue the installation. This might take a few seconds, so I'm going to fast forward this part. Must click enter. Okay, guys, as you can see, the service is now running and you can access it with the IP given here. So I'm gonna go ahead and access it with the port number here so we can begin the guide. So control and left click. Oh, did it open it? Okay, never mind that. I'll just copy that. All right, there, open a new tab. Paste that there, continue. Okay, there we have it. Now we're in the guide here. You can change here to change your preferred language or anything that you need to change. I must just leave everything default for me. Next, I will create a username. I'm just put in my name and a password, simple password. Next, now you're going to add your media library. My contact, we're going to add just a few movies because I already have here like an external drive already set up. So in your case, you will need to make a mount drive, but you see it the way that I am doing it right now, it actually makes one for you automatically, or you can just make one additionally. To make one additionally, in my case here, the mountain drive will always be in cd forward mmt. It will be here in this directory. I'm going to open it up. In my case, it's in G, so it would be CD forward MNT forward G forward my movies, and I will open the list for that. I can see here I have a bunch of movies here already, so I will be adding this pad so I can see my movies. You can actually change that and just create one. You can just create a new directory by just using this command sudo mkdir, and then just put the name that you want, like test for example. And if I do this right now, it will create one in this directory, but I'm not gonna enter that command. So I go back here to the Jellyfin configuration, and in folders, this is the part where you're going to find the mount pad. So in our case, it would be, okay, here we go, G, and from G, we're gonna scroll and find my movies. Here we go. And it's just click OK, and I'm gonna click on the folders. Now from there, you can change anything else that you want here, but we're going to leave everything else the same. I'm not really going to change anything. This is mostly just for a demonstration of the video. Click OK. It has been added. Now let's just click on next. Click next again. And if you want to allow remote access or not, just uncheck this or leave it on. Next. And now you're done. Now just click on finish. Now you're prompted to the login page. So here, all we're going to do is just put in our username that we just created, which would in my case would be my name and the password that I just set up. Now just sign in. Okay. I can see I already found a movie, but if it doesn't find any movie, just go here in the three lines, go to dashboard, and from dashboard, you're gonna go here to scan all libraries. As you see, it's already scanning. That's good. That's a good sign already. You just double scan that again. Now while it's doing that, I go back here to the menu, and it will automatically just find the movies. Oh, that's great. Already found the movies. So if I would press one right now, it should start playing immediately. So just give that a few seconds to load up. Let's see if it actually loads up. Let's forward that. Let's say it over here. It should load up. It's just gonna take like a few seconds because it is doing a. Okay, there we go. Sweet. Okay, guys, we're there. You have it. It's oh, you can see new movies are keep popping up. You just gotta wait for the dashboard to finish running the test. In my case, I have a bunch of movies, so that might take a while what actually runs. Well, guys, I hope you actually do like this video and you enjoyed it on how easy it is to install Jellyfin on your Linux distro. But in this case, I'm just doing it on a virtual machine inside of Windows, which is actually a subsystem. It's a really cool feature to add. Oh, if you want me to make a video about it, or you have any confusions about anything that you want to know that I miss, just leave a comment below and I'll get back to you. As always, guys, I thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.